All right, now that I started cooking in Japan, I actually know what the grocery prices are. I just went grocery shopping right now. I got some chicken thighs that were already cut. They were about 400 yen, 300 something yen. I'm estimating up. And then the eggs were about 250 yen, and the onion was about 35 yen. Um, and I'm making oyakodon again. It's pretty much the only dish I know how to make right now, because I was actually taught it and I tried to make it myself, like for the first time pretty recently, and it ended up okay. So I'm like, I want it to be better. Like I feel like I should at least be able to cook one a bit more complex of a dish like better instead of just like putting eggs in a pan and calling it a day. But yeah, so grocery shopping, all of that together was about, I think, well, everything I bought was about 1,500 yen because I bought potato chips and also some sashimi for myself to eat like right now because there's like extra rice that I need to finish off. So everything together was 1,500 yen, and that's about $9 for USD, and it covers both of my meals. For today, I basically just eat lunch and dinner, so $9 for the day. I think that's pretty solid, but if I were to not have bought the sushi and just bought, like let's say I just eat oyakodon for the rest of like my Japan stay, so like that would cost about, I'd say $4. Um, let's actually do the math a bit more properly. So I said 300 to 400, so we'll just go with 400 plus the eggs. And then they probably cover 2 meals. So that's probably around like $4 to $5 for 2 meals, um, which is the day for me. So every day I could survive off of, let's say, $5 to $6 for meals if I really, really wanted to. And those are basically the grocery prices. Pretty, pretty good. I mean, there was like a restaurant that I ate at yesterday with some friends. It's like a ramen restaurant that sold ramen for like really, really cheap, like 700 yen, which is I think around $4. So you could also just do that, find like cheap restaurants to eat at, which is what I did last time when I was in language school. But I think cooking and learning how to cook is a good thing, so that's what I'm doing now. So those are the grocery prices. Obviously, it varies across different stores and depending on what you want to make. But at least for what I want to make, oyakodon, it seems to be pretty cheap to make it, so it's a good dish to learn. Okay, that's it for this one. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.